Oh, look at that. That is fabulous. That is crispy beef, sweet and sour, made. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we are going to do a cracking combination Chinese meal. I've got some beef, we're just waiting for it to defrost. Then I'm going to slice it up and we're going to make crispy beef, sweet and sour. What a combination. Okay, so while we're waiting for that beef to defrost, then what we're going to do, we're going to crack on and prep some veg for our sweet and sour. Now, I've already got some pineapple there, put that to one side. And what we want to do, we want to take about half an onion. Now, I'm going to use red onion for colour, but it doesn't really matter, you know, at the end of the day. Now, what we want to do is we want some decent cubes like that. Okay, and all we're going to do is we're going to bob that in a bowl. So if we peel them all like that to start off with, it makes it easier when we come round to stir fry. Okay, well, a little bit of red pepper. We don't want the pith, so we'll get rid of that. And then we'll just have some cubes. And again, what we're going to do, in the bowl. Okay, same with the green pepper. Again, in the bowl. Right, we've got a bit of a carrot here, look. Now, let's whip that end off there. We're going to do the old flour trick. So get your knife and jab it in there like that. Come round like that. Right, and then you want to come alongside it and just trim out. Trim out like that. We'll take that out of there. Same again. Okay, and you've guessed it. Flowers. That's it. In our bowl. That is our veg for our stir fry. That and the pineapple. Okay, I've already sliced the beef. Didn't want to bore you with that. It was some garlic and ginger paste. And then we want to go in with some sesame oil. Just a little bit of oil in there. Be careful with sesame oil, you know, it's sometimes too strong. White pepper, a little bit of sugar. Give it a mix in. So we added some soy sauce and some Shoesing wine, and we want to mix that in as well. Give it all a good mix in, and this is going to stand for 30 minutes. Whilst that's standing, we can make our sweet and sour. So water in a pan, add our apple cider vinegar, and you add either the juice of an orange or orange cordial like me. Some dark soy sauce, a whole load of sugar and ketchup. Now give it a good mix in. Now we're just trying to bring all that together actually. Just mix it all in there. And we're going in with a splash of red colour. And a cornstarch slurry. We're going to stir that in there. And that will be the base of our sauce. Then we're going to get it on the heat. Now the sauce is not going to thicken up any at all. You know, it's just going to be a nice runny sauce, and then we'd have to use a cornstarch slurry when we cook. So just put it to one side. On with the beef, crack an egg in there. We want an egg in the beef. And we're going to give it just a mix in. And then we're going to put some corn flour in a tray. Now the corn flour is going to stick to this egg. It's going to give us all gnarly bits on our beef when we fry it. So get your beef in the corn starch or corn flour, whatever you know it by. Cover it all over with some more. Mix it all in. And it's going to go all gnarly all over it. It's going to be absolutely fantastic when it's fried. So we want some oil in our pan. Now I am going to shallow fry this. You could deep fry it, but I don't think it really matters. Okay, so in with our beef. Nice and gently in there. Let's have it cooking away and crisped up. So steady away with your beef in there. All we're trying to do is put that little bit of a brown crisp on there. Now it will crisp up. Don't worry about it. We might have put too much in the pan, but it will crisp over. And then we'll take it out. Oh, that looks tremendous. That is nearly done. That is definitely nearly done. We'll be having that out of there in a minute. Okay, we got that bit of a crisp on there. Let's turn off the flame and let's have that out of there. Oh, listen to that. All we're going to do is put that in a bowl. I think that's crispy. Okay, it's time to bring all this together. Put a little bit of oil in there. Flame on. Okay, we're going in there with all our veg. Oh, there's a sizzle. Now, not much of a stir fry on this. Just stir it round, soften it up a little bit. And then we're going in with our sauce. I mean, look at the colours in there, fabulous. So we want to be going in there with some sauce. It could start to thicken straight away because it does actually carry cornstarch, as we know. But I don't think it's going to thicken that much. And we've got a cornstarch slurry on standby, just to put a little bit of cornstarch in there. Now this smells absolutely fantastic. Oh, fabulous, fabulous. The smell is amazing. I mean, that really truly is amazing. Love sweet and sour. Right, this is warming up. The vegetables are still crunchy. We're going to mix up a little bit of cornstarch in there to thicken it just a little bit before we put the beef in. You know, we want the beef to be coated but not soaked in the sauce. So just a little bit of that in there. Let's have that stirred round. Now don't worry when you're putting white corn flour in, it doesn't go white. Oh, look at that. That is fabulous. We're really getting there now. That really is fabulous. You're in control now. You either have a lot of sauce or you have it very thick. I'm going to come somewhere in the middle. I want some sauce on there, but I don't want the beef to be soggy with the sweet and sour sauce. So we just stir it in a little bit till it thickens a bit more with that cornflour slurry that we put in. Oh, that looks about right. In with all that beef. Quick stir in. Off with the flame. We don't need the flame on now. We just want to get that on that crispy beef. Oh, that looks amazing. Oh, look in there. All we got to do now is serve it up. So while I'm serving this up, if you wouldn't mind, you know, give me the big thumbs up, leave a comment, anything like that. That helps the channel, the algorithm, and it'll help the channel going forward. Thank you very much, and I hope to receive a few thumbs up. Oh, come on. Oh. Oh, crispy beef. Oh, Crunchy vegetables and that sweet and sour sauce. That is fabulous. Beef, very soft inside, crunchy on the outside. That sweet and sour sauce and those crunchy veg. That is amazing. If you like what we're doing, don't forget to smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video.